Oh shit! We telling me, my people, it's your boy 19. Today is a very, very good day. Right about now, I'm making my way to Reprezent's radio because we're going to represent for the culture. The sun out, the energy and the vibes is nice. So you know that means that we're gonna have a lit vlog, right? So I've just come into the shop for a beverage, yeah? And them have asked the soup. If this video gets 100 likes, I will do a food review on this. 100 likes. So look what we just meet up with. Shans.
You know, so we there.
Outside, you know?
Yes.
How you feeling?
Nervous and excited at the same time. Appreciate the opportunity. So
Very appreciative of the
Yes.
opportunity. Always. We are about to play Shanz's song live on radio. What's the song called?
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
Shans. Check it out on all platforms, guys. If you don't know, get to know.
Get to know. It's 19.
And today I've got two amazing people who you would have seen all over your TikTok, your Instagram, your timelines, because they are maybe two of the funniest people that I've ever seen.
The one and only Shan's in the building at 19.
What? You'll know him for his hilarious skits, you know, really pushing the Jamaican culture, the comedy, the humour. He's got a loyal fan base of characters such as Grandpa Errol and Uncle Desmond. Now, Shans, you'll have seen her doing her impressions as Margaret Patsy, as well as dropping new music. How did the link up between Grandpa Errol and Margaret Patsy come together? Because that was like when two worlds collide.
Big shout out to Scoob NBA. Scoob's definitely the one that made the link happen between me and Patsy. He found her first on social media. Scoob's crazy. He's always on his phone looking for the up and coming creators just to bring around us, you know. Shans was one of them, and Shans is a very talented individual. Very talented individual.
Big up to Scoobs, 100%.
Big up Scoobs all the time.
19. I heard you picked some tracks. I heard that Grandpa Errol has given some influence in these as well. So can you please get into the first one?
At 19876, I represent for Reprezent Radio. And right about now, we're gonna play Family by Popcorn.
Family.
Tell me about where you guys are from in the Caribbean, in Jamaica. Like, tell me the culture. Tell me for you, like, the earliest moments where he's like, yeah, do you know what? I know I'm Jamaican.
I got shipped back home to a place called Dalvey in St. Thomas, a very small district. It's the first part of the country, actually. Growing up there for a little bit, appreciate life more when I went there than before I was here, you know?
I saw one of your earliest videos, you chilling with the goat.
Yeah.
Memory. You were listening to Worth the Wait. Shan's on Represent, who's in the building with me now at 19. How was that?
Oh my god, I'm happy you guys taking this. And honestly, I hope you guys like the song. Literally, remember, everything's worth the wait in this life.
Have you got anything coming up that we need to keep an eye on when it comes to the content?
Tomorrow, on Independence Day, I'm going to be dropping my Windrush series called Minium ERROL.
Okay.
I've been filming it for the past 2 months. We control the town, and boy, you guys are in for something, man. Something different. Every social platform you have, just type in 19876 and you will find me there.
Can you give it the biggest and baddest intro ever?
One error, I want to hear it in a device this time.
Alright, cool. Cause it's a beautiful and hot today and tomorrow. It's Independence Day. I go represent to you, my Jamaica.
Thank you guys. We're gonna get a picture.
Lunchtime now. Oxtail and white rice from Maureen's kitchen. Pasta. Homemade coleslaw as well. Some watermelon punch. This is my yard. This is my family house, so make sure that you lot come down and come support when you can. Guys, when you wake up in the morning, make sure that you have your breakfast, else you're gonna end up like me, with gas.
Hey guys, this streak here, boxing, 10 out of 10.
30 seconds outfit check. Let's go.
Okay.
Fashion over, t-shirt, let me have somebody steal this and
Yeah, how much fee?
Me not know.
Is that them teeth?
Yes.
Oh God.
Them teeth it
Yeah.
I take it, yes. Nothing.
Pretty little thing.
Yeah. You know my ear, I'm gonna do it for me.
Sleep. Yeah. She's from Madu, London. Shout out to Madu. Third from Boohoo. Promo from Boohoo. Shout out to Boohoo. Air Force One, you can't go wrong. The time of you seeing this, I've just posted my first episode of my brand new series, Minium ERROL, on all my social platforms. It's gonna be on the screen, so make sure that you lot go check that out.
Subscribe.